Hello everyone and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today we got a service call that we have water all over the floor. Thank you to everyone tuning in to Jumperman Tech. And right now the unit is off by the thermostat and we're going to begin by turning off the main power. And let's see what's going on. Alright, so open up the covers for this unit. Start with above and look for any water. Luckily everything right here is dry. I do see a decent amount of water in the condensate pan. Okay. There's a bunch of water here. I don't know if you guys can see. Bunch of water on the bottom. I'd like to see if there's any marks of water trickling down. See where it's coming from. Most likely it's coming from the condensate pan. Could also have a little busted pipe somewhere. A ton of water on the floor here. Once you vacuum that up, right there along that edge I see a droplet of water. Wow, there's actually some water in here. Yikes. That's not good. See, stuff like that is what I turn the power off. You never know. There might be something live here. You touch the cover and goodbye. Right here we have some trickle of water here. And right here is the condensate drain. Okay. So we have one here. And another condensate drain here. Here's pan. A little bit of water overflowed here. See that? That's water. Looks like we got a clogged drain. This one is clogged. I'd like to see what's going on in here. This is actually our control panel. There's some water here. Ay, ay, ay. Well, that's what we're here for. This is a water-cooled system. This is your water-cooled condenser. All right. Let's look at your control panel. There is the tiniest bit of water right here. I can actually see. That's fine. Looks like we got a clogged drain. Want to gain access to here as well. And we're gonna blow out these drains. And then we're gonna test it by running water down and see if it drains. What I noticed here is that when they ran these pipes, there's a huge gap here. And all these units in their building get a load of dust and debris inside their units. I mean, this building is under construction right now. There's a lot going on. So that's a good reason to why all that dust is here, but that needs to be covered as well. Here's a auxiliary hot water coil. If I look inside this pan, it's dry. Because on the other side, there's a pipe that goes through the cover that I'm not gonna really get too much access. It looks like I might be able to pull this back, but still we're dry there. So what it looks like to me is that we have a clogged condensate pan and it's full of dirt and debris. And what's going on, it has to be from this right here. It's where all this dust and dirt and debris is coming from, and that clogged our drain. Quick peek in there. That thing is dry. There's no reason there should be any condensation in there anyway. We're not even using the hot water right now. We're in cooling season. Let's blow out this drain. Here is the Gallo drain gun made by DiversiTech. And I love this thing. You can keep it in your toolbox. You fill it up with these CO2 capsules. Put it in. Press the trigger and blow out your drain. I'm trying to get this in there. I don't know if I could. It's pretty close. I don't like that positioning. All right, I believe I got it. I'm gonna try to blow it out from right here. Might get splashed. All right. Looks like I see a little bit of water movement. We're starting to drain a little. Cool. Physically here, the water moving down the pipe now. And sometimes this drain gun isn't enough. This is really for like small projects. Then I would have to run out to the truck and grab my nitrogen tank with a hose and blow out these lines. But right now, we have water moving. And what I would like to see is the opposite end and see that level come down. That thing was to the top. Oh wow, it's actually dry already here. No more water. Cool. Just a little bit of dirt. I'm gonna clean out this condensate pan. It really needs some maintenance here. All right, so about a minute passed and this pan is empty. That little gun did the trick. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go grab a wet vac, clean up all this water. It's a freaking mess here. I'm also gonna take a look into their unit, check to see the condition of their fan belts, air filters, water strainers, stuff like that. Get this thing back in good running shape, clean this all up, and that's pretty much it. It's just a lack of maintenance, and what's really happening, it was that opening for those pipes. So for the pipes entering, there's that huge gap, and all that dirt is coming inside and clogging the drain. So we're gonna do the maintenance on this system, start it up, see how it's operating, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna close these up, and that's the culprit right there. And that's all she wrote, folks. And if anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as I post new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.